Holy shoot, you actually opened the readme. Good for you. Greetings, and welcome to v0.2 of Desktop Goose. New in version 0.2. Unlimited memes. Add whatever images you want to the memes folder, and the Goose will pull them up. GIF support. Add GIFs to the meme folder and Goose will bring you your infinite video. Hack the Goose. Adjust his aggression and a few other parameters by opening config.goos in Notepad. More customization to come. How to use. Hold ESC to exit. You'll need to hold it for a couple seconds. Want to enable secret music? Navigate to Assets Sounds Music, and rename the file there to music.mp3. Or place any file there, name it music.mp3, and Goose will attempt to play it on startup. Please message me your Goose antics on Twitter @Chiet, or any other means. I'd love to see it. Support my work. Twitter.com/Chiet. Patreon.com/Smegsfer. Just search Chiet on YouTube. Special thanks to all my patrons, who made this possible. You're heroes. And huge shouts to the friendly people in my Discord Twitter who helped test this and provided feedback. And to the mod community that's starting up in the Discord. Some legal stuff. Honk sampled from Untitled Goose Game. Go play it. Software provided as is, without warranty. You've seen all this before. In summary, I am not liable if you do something like use the Goose to try and file your taxes, or if the Goose damages you somehow. That is fully on you. Also, don't redistribute this software on your own. Link back to the itch page on samperson.itch.io, or better yet, the YouTube video when that comes out. Smile. If you got this from a source,